in this video, we are doing a review on this little headset there. This costs around about £30 or just under £30. And as always, I will stick a link in the video description in case you want to go and check it out. So what we're going to be doing, obviously we're going to do the unboxing because I like doing the unboxing. And we're going to give a little test. The only problem I have is I can't show you or let you hear the experience that I'm going to be hearing. You know, 7.1 surround sound, but I don't know how to make it so that you can hear it. So I can only give you my experience of what I think about it and whether it actually works. Like I said, it cost just under £30, and no, I didn't buy it. Sumvision sent it to me, so thanks very much for that, Sumvision. And as always, we'll always do an honest review on my channel. So with that, come over here and we'll do the unboxing, have a quick look around the box, see exactly what you're getting for your money, and then we'll give her a little test. Right then, let's have a quick look around the box. So it shows you it can play on a PC, PlayStation, Xbox One. Name of the company, Psyc, and it's a division of Sumvision. That's what it says up there. It says Seraph, like in the Matrix, if you've ever seen the Matrix, Seraph. 7.1 surround sound pro gaming headset, blah blah blah. Bit of information on the side, USB, and has a 3.5mm auxiliary connection as well. Virtual 7.1 surround sound, built-in Soundcard amplifier, might be nice. Enhanced bass, hopefully, I like a bit of bass. Noise and echo cancellation mic, and name of the main company. Quick look on the back. Couple of pictures, got a little controller with it as well, and that's about it. And then specifications, blah blah blah. I'm not going to read it all out to you, and that is it. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go and get my knife and cut them open. Right, so that is everything you get in the box. You get a online help thing, chat, which is quite good. Online chat, free support. Yeah, very good, very nice. We get a manual. I'm guessing that's a manual. User guide, yep. Quick look. Yep, very basic. Won't need that, hopefully anyway. You get a controller. So the controller is separate from the headphones, which is really good actually, because you can just use these as normal headphones. And you get a mic, which is a bendy one. So that will plug into there. Again, another good idea, because I'm thinking, should the mic break, you can just hopefully get just a mic. I'm not saying that's what will happen, but hopefully, does it go in anyway? It does. I'm just seeing which way's the tightest. Right, the ridge, got a little ridge there. Seems to be better like that. See that? Hold it in better. So let's have a quick look around. So what's that? Soft leather, isn't it? It feels like soft leather. Have a little smell. Not much of a smell, but yeah, feels very comfortable. Don't know what it's going to be like after a long bit of gaming, something like that. It might be a bit sweaty. We will find out. Adjustable, of course. Oh, is it only adjustable? Oh, sorry. My bad, my bad. Oh yeah, quite a bit of adjustment now. Got the name on there, that's quite nice. And let's try that for comfort. A bit echoey, I'll give you that. It's definitely a bit echoey. Can hear the lead when I'm rubbing it. Hopefully I won't be rubbing it. And quite a nice length of cable as well. Yeah, it's probably about 2 meters. I'll never measure up because you've got that length and also you've got that length as well. And a little adapter. Yes. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to have a measure up of the lead, see how long this is and see how long that is. And then we're going to give her a little test. So we have a couple of options for connectivity. You can either just plug that straight into there like that, which to me makes sense. and then plug that straight into USB, or you can plug that into there and use your onboard surround sound. Yes, not sure which one to do. I'm going to try it on there first, I think. So with that, give me a couple of minutes and I will sort it all out. She's all set up and ready to go, but before we do that, there's a couple of things I want to go through, and one of them being this little device here. This is your 7.1 surround sound, this little baby here. You need to use this and it will only work on a PC. It will not work on an Xbox or PlayStation. According to the instructions, it only works on a PC. So if you want to hear the 7.1 surround sound, you need to make sure that you've got this plugged into your PC, because the headphones need to pass through into there. You can, however, unplug it, and you can plug that straight into your PC, your Xbox, your PlayStation, your phone. If you've got a 3.5 jack connection, you can plug it into there and use that like a normal headphones. Yeah, just take that off and away you go. Or the other option is you can use this. And again, you can plug that straight into your PC. It's quite easy to do. Just plug it in like that and away you go. And again, you can plug that into multi devices and that will just work like a normal headphone set with a microphone on it. So there are a couple of options for you to do. I just thought I needed to point that out to you because I know what it's like. You'll be saying, it's not working. Why ain't it working? I can't hear no 7.1. You need to have this plugged in because all the technology is in here. Yes, the software and the hardware is all in there to get the virtual 3.5 to get the virtual 7.1. So I need to point that out. What we're going to do now is I've got a couple of demos lined up. It's difficult for me to make it so that you can hear it. So I'm not going to do that because, well, I just can't do it. So what we're going to do, we're going to do Dolby Digital 7.1 surround sound plus an Atmos one. That is overhead and everything. Now I probably won't hear that one properly, but I thought it'd be nice to see or hear how it would sound if I use Atmos surround sound, not just 7.1. See if it does just work. 7.1 it should work fine. Stereo it should definitely work, and even mono, yeah, definitely. And also we're going to do a little gaming, which is CSGO. So we are going to do a little bit of gaming and see if I can hear people coming up from behind me, left and right, that sort of thing. So with that, let's get on with it, shall we? So here we go.
This is Dolby Atmos, the world's first object-based cinematic audio. With powerful moving audio that transcends from channels to moving around you with pinpoint accuracy. Whether the soundscape sets the mood of a scene,
Let's go!
or captures the full extent
Do you want to know my secret?
of nature's fury.
Right, that's the first one out of the way. I'm not playing all of it, just part of it. Where's the other one? Right, that's that one out of the way. Right, so far so good. I'll probably sound a little bit different because when I put headphones on, I always sound a little bit different. Don't ask me why. It's like I'm talking through my nose. So anyway, so far so good. You could hear the surround sound, especially on the 7.1. The Atmos, I couldn't hear overhead. It just sounded like it's coming from behind me or to the side of me. Didn't hear nothing coming overhead. But I wasn't expecting it to. I just thought I'd give it a little try. You know what it's like. So what we're going to do now, we're going to do a little bit of gaming. We're going to do CSGO, and don't expect the graphics to be fantastic because I've got it set on low because it's all about the sound quality, not the picture quality. So with that, let's get on with it. That's better. I can hear where they're coming from, sort of. Right, a couple of things to go through before I tell you what I think about the headset, and one is the graphics. Yeah, when I was in game, the graphics are not fantastic. I didn't adjust the graphics to improve them because it's all about the audio. It's not about the graphics. We're doing an audio test, so I needed to concentrate on whether or not I could hear sound going around me or just going from left and right. And yeah, they work pretty well. I could hear, especially on the Dolby, I could hear the left, right, going behind me. It sounded really good. The Atmos was a little bit different. Couldn't hear it going above me, but again, the effects were still pretty good. You could still hear it going left and right and behind you, and I'm going like that. Thinking, yeah, that definitely works. So that definitely works. Also in the game, CSGO, the audio was very clear. You could hear people creeping around or running around. It is difficult when you're in game like that to find out whether or not they're actually coming from behind you because you're concentrating on shooting people, and it can be a little bit confusing, especially with loads of people running about as well. So it does work, but CSGO, I did find it a little bit difficult to find out whether they're behind me or not. You can definitely hear them from left and right, but not 100% sure if they was coming behind me or in front of me. But they are pretty good. Sound quality, I thought, was very good actually for the amount of money it cost. Nice bit of bass, nice bit of treble, and yeah, I even tested the mic. What do you think about the mic? Let me know in the comments what you think. You do need to go into your settings and adjust the volume up or down to get it right, and that's the same on any microphone. You will have to always fine tune it. Most of the time you can't just plug them in, you just need to tweak them. I didn't bother tweaking them, I left them alone, but I did adjust the volume in my editing software just to reduce the loudness because they were coming out a little bit loud, so I just turned them down a little bit while I was in game and that. So yeah, microphone I thought worked very nice. I always sound different when as soon as I put my headphones on, I talk differently. Don't ask me why, it's just weird. And yeah, don't forget, if you want surround sound, this does work, but it only works on a PC. It will not work on a tablet, a phone, an Xbox, or anything like that. I've tested it also on my tablet, and I listened to some audio while I had these on, and yeah, they work very well. You can hear people talking nice and clearly, with no distortion whatsoever, nice and clearly. You can hear a bit of outside noise, because I didn't have this plugged in, because this has got the filter in it as well to reduce noise. And the controls on this I thought were pretty good as well. The plus and the minus, they work really well. Even the mute button, they work extremely well. Got a nice little click to them, which I like, so you know you pressed them. Yeah, they work extremely well. I'm quite impressed for the amount of money you're paying. Like I said, $29.99 I think it was. I didn't actually buy them, by the way. Like I said at the beginning, I got these sent to me But yeah, they work extremely well. Very pleased with it. The only thing I couldn't test, well, I did test these, by the way. I plugged these into my computer, and that means you're bypassing that. So if you've got software on your computer that you want to use, you can just plug them two in, and that will work. Couldn't test it on a phone because I haven't got a phone with a jack plug connection, so I couldn't test it. But like I said, tried it on a tablet, tried it on a PC, and yeah, it works fine. I have no qualms, if you like, no qualms that this will work on your phone. And with the right connection, which is the one with the 3 black rings, it should help you to work the microphone as well. So you should be able to plug this, providing you've got jack plug connection 3.5mm. You should be able to plug this in to your phone and be able to talk through here and listen through here. But like I said, I haven't got a jack plug connection on my phone, so I couldn't actually test it. So with that, if you have any comments, post them below, or any questions, post them below, and I will try and answer them for you. And yeah, definitely gets my thumbs up. Like I said, for the amount of money, they are very nice. Didn't even make me ears sweat, which I was quite surprised, because I thought, yeah, no, they're well ventilated, and yeah, make your ears a little bit warm, but they don't make you sweat. So yeah, very pleased with that. Definitely gets my thumbs up, like I said. So with that, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you didn't, give us a thumbs down, and please subscribe. It's free, doesn't cost you any money whatsoever, and it helps my channel to keep on growing. Thank you very much for watching. Hey baby.